How to write better prompts. Today, guys, I want to share with you an interesting insight about using XML tags to structure your prompts. This is supposed to be a very impactful way to structure your prompts and generate better output. The video was inspired by a different YouTuber, which is called Indie Dev Dan. He did a comparison between different prompt formats: Markdown, XML, RAW, and JSON. And basically, if you're technical or interested or curious to learn more about this, I highly recommend that you check out his video. But my takeaway from this video is that each type of format has different performance, different pros and cons, but in general, XML type is the most recommended format at the moment, and it is also supported or written in the Anthropic documentation. Let's cover what they are saying. So, use XML tags to structure your prompts. When your prompts involve multiple components like context, instructions, and examples, XML tags can be a game changer. They help Claude parse your prompts more accurately, leading to higher quality outputs. I imagine that this is also relevant to OpenAI and other platforms such as Llama. They suggest using tags like instruction and example formatting to clearly separate different parts of a prompt, and this prevents Claude from mixing up instructions with examples or context. I will show you in a moment an example. So here's why they suggest using XML tags. So clarity: clearly separate different parts of your prompt and ensure your prompt is well structured. Accuracy: reduce errors caused by Claude misinterpreting parts of your prompt. Flexibility: so easily find, add, remove, or modify parts of your prompt without rewriting everything. And parsability: having Claude use XML tags in its output make it easier to extract specific parts of its response when you're basically processing. So you will also see an example in a moment. Now, tagging best practices. So first of all, be consistent. Use the same tag names throughout your prompts and refer to those tag names when talking about the content. Nest tags. So you have the outer, inner, then you close the inner, and then you close the outer. And here are a few examples. Let me show you examples that I generated using Claude. So first of all, the different formats available at the moment is obviously you can have an XML. This is how XML looks like. So you have the opening prompt or opening tag in this case, and the closing of the tag. And within the tag, you have different sections. So we have the specification section, which opens here and closes here. Then we have, this is a request, an XML prompt for Python snake game. So I basically said the language should be Python, the graphic library should be Pygame. Here I'm closing the tag of which graphic library I want. This is the window size, the width and the height. Then there's a list of features. As you can see, all features are listed over here. So this is the features opening tag, features closing tag, and then each feature has an opening and a closing tag. If I wanted to create a JSON, it would have looked, let's see if I have an example of a JSON. Yeah, so this is a JSON example. So this is a different use case, but this is how a JSON looks like. I'm assuming that you guys know. And another example is just writing the prompt in plain text. So this is how an XML looks like. Now, assuming that we want to create a Python game, so we can just create this as XML, which is, it looks like this. It doesn't look so well when it's not formatted, but usually it comes formatted, and you can also use a tool such as, let's say, XML formatter. Like the first that I saw, just come here, paste it here. Obviously, we have an AdSense ad, and it cleans up the whole thing. And here's the formatted XML. So you can see it is very easy to read for you as a user, and it's also very easy to adjust and change anything. It provides structure, and then based on what Claude, where the Anthropic team is saying, and also based on the research by indie dev Dan, which basically used an interesting tool which is called Promptful, which allows you to programmatically test your prompts. So based on his research, XML are performing better. Let me see if there's anything else I wanted to cover. Yeah, so I had another example of asking, okay, let's write another example of creating, let's do it here. Can you write a prompt in XML format for creating a blog post outline about different types of automation tools? So I'm basically asking it to write an XML format for creating a blog post outline, and let's see how it looks like. So this is the format. This is how the XML is generated, blog post outline prompt. So this is the topic, different types of automation tools. Then the target audience is business professional and IT managers interested in improving efficiency. Then the word count is specified in tag. Then the tone is specified. Then we have the structure. So we have the introduction, which closes here. It opens here and closes here. So this is the element, another element. Then we have the body, which has different sections. Then we have different points. I'm just moving fast. Then we have the closing of the section. Then we open a new section. The title of the section is AI and machine learning tools. And then we have more points. So we have points, which opens 3 more points nested in them. And this is the closing tag of the whole prompt. And now we can come here and paste this prompt. We can also beautify it here. As you can see, it is beautified like this or formatted. And we can paste it over here, and it is supposed to generate the blog post for us. So it understood. I understand you'd like me to create a blog post outline on different types of automation tools targeting business professionals and IT managers interested in improving efficiency. The post should be 1,000 to 1,500 words long with an informative and professional tone. And here you go. This is the outline. So pretty cool. I also did a few more tests with the XML tags for generating a template or a prompt for cold email personalization, and also a Python snake game, which I showed you over here, and it also generated the code. And the reason why I feel this is very interesting, because first of all, yes, it might seem a bit more challenging to create the prompts in this way, but if you're looking to scale and if you're looking to build prompts in production, eventually it will keep things well organized and easier to adjust. And there are a few more benefits that were mentioned in that topic blog post. And the reason why I think this is a must, and moving forward, I will, whenever I'm not lazy, I will try to structure my prompts using the XML, because I shared a few days ago a video about a leaked prompt of the Anthropic team that basically shows how they are prompting the artifacts. So artifacts, or this part of the Claude interface, user interface, and basically they have a dedicated prompt for this, so the LLM knows when exactly it should open the artifact and when it shouldn't. And they are using XML as well, XML tags as well, not JSON and not plain text. They are using XML as well. So this hints, give me a hint that this is currently the best performing way to format your prompts. And if Anthropic team is doing this, they also claim this is the most useful way to format your prompts. I believe them, and this is how I'm going to prompt or format my prompt from now on. And I hope that you guys that are serious and want to build solutions that are scalable and production ready, you will also use XML tags to structure your prompts. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video valuable or enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Obviously, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, feedback, any use cases, any video ideas. Appreciate any feedback. And until next time, keep on automating.